In today's short audio guide, let us explore the lessons that we can learn from painting. Life is like a piece of art. We all start off with a blank canvas. And we add color and details to our painting, mirroring the visual expressions of our human experience. Some of us may start off with a larger canvas. But no matter how we end, each piece is unique and has its own worth. Each painting is a masterpiece in its own right. You learn that it is not the size of the canvas that matters. Similar in life, learn not to constantly compare what you have with others. There is no right or wrong way to create your painting. It is a journey of discovery. You learn different expressions to draw and paint. Your strokes are unique to you. Painting is a process of growth. You progress in your own taste and style. You learn to celebrate your self-expression. And you learn that you are free to express your individuality. Do not let others judge you for who you are. Each of our experiences in life give our painting a different palette. Sometimes we feel bright and warm, while other times we may feel cool and dark. Each emotion has its place on our canvas of life. No matter how far we are into our painting, we always have the privilege to reinvent the painting by painting over areas which we do not like. And sometimes, even starting over again. As in life, you always have the opportunity to right your wrongs along the way. And if you need to, paint over your canvas and start again. At the end of the day, nothing says that your painting has to stay the same forever. You gain knowledge along the way. You learn to use different brushes and different mediums to paint. In life, we might lack the skills that we need. When we are stuck, we can always learn from a mentor or someone whom we admire. You are always a work in progress. When you ever get lost, stand back and look at the bigger picture. Learn to see the beauty of everything in the world. Be yourself and be happy about it. Embrace the happy accidents. Sometimes, a wrong stroke becomes the most beautiful line in your piece of art. In life, go with it and see what happens. Sometimes when we embrace what seems unpleasant at first, we look back and realize what a happy accident it was. Everyone has a different piece of art that is true to themselves. Anything, from nothing to everything, is art. Learn to accept those who are different. Let go of perfection, for art will never be perfect. Embrace the process and appreciate your artwork as it takes form. Appreciate your growth and the person you become. In the end, the process is what makes you who you really are. The next time you question your purpose in life, think of your life as a painting on a canvas. Thank you for your time with us. I hope you have found this audio guide useful. For more audio guides to life, subscribe to this channel.